Illinois just passed an auto glass law 110 to nothing. Not one dissenting vote. And if you own or manage a repair shop anywhere in the country, you need to know about it. It's called House Bill 4373, the Motor Vehicle Glass Repair Act. Here's what it requires. Before any glass job, shops must tell the customer whether their vehicle has ADAS, things like automatic braking, lane assist, collision warning, and whether calibration is needed after the repair. They have to say who's doing that calibration, and when it's done, they have to hand the customer written proof that it was completed successfully. Here's the thing. 90% of newer vehicles require recalibration after a windshield replacement. And if that calibration gets skipped, those safety systems can fail silently. The driver has no idea. AAA says properly functioning ADAS could prevent 2.7 million crashes a year. This isn't paperwork for the sake of paperwork. The stakes are real. And this isn't just an Illinois story. 6 states already have this law: Arizona, Florida, Kentucky, Maryland, Utah, New York. California is working on it right now. This is a national template, and it's moving fast. So what should your shop be doing today? I broke down 5 specific steps in the full article, links in the description. Read it, share it with your team, and get ahead of this before your state is next.